So let's prepare this quick meal. I have all my ingredients: tomatoes, pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, everything in there blended, and I'm adding it to my coconut oil on fire. Added water, give it a stir, cover and let it cook. So I'm checking on it, stirring it. I'm going to add my fish to it. Yes, dry fish. Yes, add a stir, and I have some old stewby. Yes, I'm going to add it to it, and then stir it, and then give it time for it to cook. And I'm also going to add my spices to it, a little bit of seasoning. Just adjust it to your preference. Okay, and then I am going to add yam to this sauce, boiled yam to this sauce. So I already have my yam with salt and water on it. I'm going to cook it, and we are checking on our sauce. Okay, so I'm going to add a can of sardine to it, and then stir it. Okay, and add a little bit of salt also to it. I'm going to add vegetables, that is onion and carrot to it. You can add any vegetable of your choice. Cover for some few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm going to add my whisked eggs to it, and I'll cover this for 3 minutes, or when I see that the egg has formed very well, I'll give it a quick stir, and then the stew is ready, or the sauce is ready. Our yam too is ready. Yes, and so I'm going to serve myself. I usually love my boiled yam very, very soft, and I'm adding my sauce to it. Charlie, I really enjoy this. Bye bye.